Good morning, dear students. See one more question of double column cash book. Question number 8th B of DK Goel. Prepare two column cash book from the following information. June 1, cash in hand and cash at bank, both balances are given. So cash balance as well as bank balance, both balances will come in debit side. June 1, 2, balance brought down. Cash balance is 2,800, that will come in cash column, and bank balance is 7,000, that will come in bank column. Okay. In my previous video, I told you that sometimes bank balance may be credit balance as well as overdraft balance. If bank balance will be credit and overdraft, in that particular case you will write balance of bank in credit side, and if it will be only bank balance or debit balance, so in this particular case you will write amount of bank balance in debit side, just like cash. Okay, now see next transaction, that is on June 10, discounted a bills of exchange at 1% through bank. So very simple journal entry will be there, that is bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bills receivable. Amount of bill is 5,000 and it is discounted from the bank at 1%. So on 5,000 at 1% amount will be 50. So we will receive 4,950 from bank. So bank account debit to bills of exchange or to BR, this particular portion will come in cash book, and discounting charges account debit to bill receivable, this particular portion will come in journal proper. So apart from format of cash book, in such questions you have to prepare format of journal also. So such transactions will come in journal. Okay, so bank account debit to BR, treatment will come in debit side to BR, and amount will come in bank column, that is 4,950, and date was June 10. So always remember one thing, whenever you will prepare double column cash book, apart from format of cash book, you have to prepare format of journal also for writing entries of discount. Okay. Now on June 15, cash sale rupees 6,000. So cash account debit to sales account. Simple treatment will come in debit side to sales account, and this is our cash sale. So amount will come in cash column, which is 6,000. Okay. See next transaction, June 18, paid into bank rupees 3,000. Once again this is contra entry. So whenever we will pay amount into our bank, entry will be bank account debit to cash, and such transactions will be treated as contra entry, and treatment of contra entries will come on both sides. So bank account debit to cash, treatment in debit side will come to cash account, and in the column of ledger folio we will denote it by C. C means contra, and we are depositing 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 rupees will come in bank column. Date is June 18. June 18 by bank account. In the column of ledger folio, I will denote it by C. C means contra, and amount will come in cash column, which is 3,000. So always remember one thing, my dear students, whenever you write treatment of contra entry, don't forget to write C in ledger folio column, debit side as well as in credit side. And always remember one more thing, when you will write treatment in debit side, suppose you are writing to cash, so amount will come in bank column, and if you are writing treatment in credit side by bank, in this particular case amount will come in cash column. Okay. After this, see few more transaction of this particular question. Next is on June 20, paid rent. A very simple treatment. On June 20, rent paid by cash. Entry will be rent account debit to cash account, and by rent account, and treatment will come in cash column. Amount is 700 rupees. Okay, see next transaction. On June 25, bank charges. Entry will be bank charges account debit to bank. So treatment will come in credit side by bank charges account, and amount is 100 rupees, and this amount will come in bank column. Okay. Next is June 30, withdrawn from bank for personal use. So entry will be drawings account debit to bank account. Amount is 1500. Date is June 30. Treatment will come in credit side by drawings account, and amount will come in bank column because our entry is drawings account debit to bank account. Now next is purchase goods on credit from Vinay. See, always remember my dear students, such type of transactions, that is credit transactions, will not come in cash book. So I told you earlier also, apart from format of cash book, you have to prepare format of journal, and such type of transactions you will write in journal. So purchased goods on credit from Vinay. Journal entry will be purchase account debit to Vinay, and this particular journal entry you will write in the format of journal. Okay, amount is 4000, so you will write that amount in 4000. So my dear students, after writing treatment of all the transactions, now we will calculate closing balances of cash as well as bank. So first of all, we will take total of debit side, cash column 0, 0, 8 and 8. Okay, now after this I will take total of bank column, and that will come 0, 5, 9 and 14. Okay, now in rough paper, that is you can see in working note, I will take total of credit side. So debit total of cash is 8800, and credit total of cash is 3700. So like this, balance will come 5100, and this is June. So June is having 30 days. So closing balance will be calculated on 30th June, and closing balance of cash will come, that is by balance carried down, that will come 5100, and total will come 8800. Now come to bank. This is bank. Total of debit side is 14,950. Now I will take total of credit side, and that is 1600. So 0, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 13,350. So 13,350 will be closing balance of bank, and total is 14,950. So now you can see how we will calculate closing balance of cash as well as closing balance of bank. But after writing, my dear students, after writing closing balance on closing date, we will transfer these closing balances on next month, and next month is July 1. Opening balance will come in debit side, that is to balance brought down 5100 opening balance of cash, and 13,350 will be treated as opening balance of bank. So like this students, we will calculate balances and we will prepare double column cash flow. Thank you very much.